Hello everyone, this is Pedro with the Builderall Customer Success Team, and today I'll be showing you guys what you get if you get our Builderall 7.0 Supercharge Bundle plan. What is the Supercharge Bundle plan? Well, it is a completely free plan that allows you to use some of Builderall's amazing tools on your business or on your project. As soon as you create the plan, you will create your account, you get access to the plan, you will be forwarded to the Builderall dashboard. It is very similar to the Builderall dashboard as a whole, but the difference is you will not be able to access our ordinary tools. Each one of those set of tools represents a plan. So the core plan, essentials plan, advanced plan, and the premium plan. If you want, of course, you are more than welcome to unlock those amazing plans and have full access to what the plans have to offer. But if you're a part of the Supercharge Bundle, you will have access to those 5 tools: the social proof pop-up, browser notifications app, the live chat, the exit pop-up, and the comments autoresponders. Again, all of them completely free for you. All right, so without further ado, let's start taking a look at each one of those tools. And the first one is the social proof. What is the social proof tool? Well, it allows you to create social proof pop-ups. Those pop-ups will appear on your website every time a customer makes a purchase, and that pop-up will appear for other people who are accessing that website. This gives you, let's say, credit. It shows to a new customer or to a potential customer that people are actually buying your products, that people are actually trusting you, and they are purchasing. So it's an excellent tool to give them that extra confidence when making the decision to purchase your product or not. So, of course, if you want to get full detail on how to use a social proof pop-up and what it can do, you're more than welcome to access the tutorials that we left in the description of this video. Since this is a video about the bundle as a whole, we're not going to focus on the tools individually, but this is the tool that you have access to. You can create a new pop-up over here. The only limitation that you get in this case is you can only use on external websites. You're not going to be able to click on other Builderall tools because, of course, you don't have a full Builderall plan. You only have the bundle, but you can still finish your configuration right here and use the social proof pop-up on your external websites. Simply click here on new pop-up and you'll be able to. It's important also to mention, since this is a free plan, when you are in your dashboard, you will have a few limitations. So in this case, the bundle will allow you to have a monthly of 50,000 impressions, which is a lot, really a lot. It's not a limitation per se. As soon as you start using it, you'll see that it is a lot of impressions that you're able to create. But of course, since it's a free plan, you will have some limitations using the tools. But if you want to have full access, simply upgrade to one of our plans and you'll be able to use the social proof pop-up tool as a whole. All right, moving on to the next tool. Next tool is a very interesting one. It's the browser notifications app. Browser notifications app allows you to send notifications to your customers once they are accessing your website. It is a very, very easy thing. You can click here to install on a website. Of course, if you want to add it to a Builderall website, you're gonna have to upgrade to have access to the Builderall website builder. If not, you can use that in your external website. Simply add the name of your website here, the URL, and click on next to finish setting up your browser notifications. Very easy, very simple tool, and you will be communicating and engaging with your customers more effectively through the browser notifications. Very easy as well. Also keep in mind that you do have the limitations, the monthly limitations of 100 subscribers, and same thing that's worth for the social proof pop-up. Again, if you want more information on the browser notifications app, please access the tutorials that we have left below. Very simple tool to create and to use. Right now, moving on to the next one, it's the live chat, the brand new Builderall live chat tool. This tool is absolutely amazing. It allows you to create complete support systems for your website. So you can create live chats, you can create different departments, different groups, different operators to really provide that a customer service to your customers. No matter where they are, they can contact you and your operators, your partners, your employees, whatever, through that live chat on their website. And it's an extremely similar system to the one that you have when you access Builderall's customer support. So it's an extremely efficient tool, extremely clean, very easy to use. And we also have a complete tutorial on how to do that. This is the main dashboard. This is the script that you're going to use to connect the live chat to your website. Here's how you're going to add, this is where you're going to add the URL for the website. You can add it on multiple websites, and you can configure your departments over here, the groups, the attendance, and here is how this is a little bit of a test. This is how the system is going to look for you. So this is a new chat. You can take the chat, you can view the chat. You have the waiting time here. You have the name of the client, the department that you selected. Very complete tool. Really allows you to provide that next level customer service for your clients. Now, moving on to the next tool is the exit pop-up. The exit pop-up has this little detail. Once you click on the tool, you will be redirected to the Builderall website builder, which is one of the tools that you will find starting on our core plan. Of course, it's a website builder that allows you to create incredible pages and websites for your website. And in our website builder, we'll have the exit pop-up function. The exit pop-up function allows you to use a pop-up to show a pop-up for your customer when he's leaving your website. So it's kind of this last chance of you interacting with the customer. So you can use a form, you can send an offer, maybe a discount coupon to really get your customer to stay, to convert, and to take advantage of what you're trying to sell or something like that. So when you click on it, you'll be redirected to the website exit pop-up function here in the global elements. You can open, simply click here on new pop-up. You can create the new pop-ups, very easy. Of course, on an external website alone, click here on next, and you'll be redirected to the editor. Once that pop-up is created, all you got to do, you can edit, you can check the configuration, the name, the script, how you're going to edit on that external website, what's the URL. You can duplicate or you can delete the pop-up. Also, very interesting tool. You will find more information on it in the description, but it's a very interesting tool. Allows you to have that actual engagement with your customers on your website. And last but not least, we have the comments autoresponder. This tool is not linked to your website builder. It is rather linked to your Instagram and Messenger chatbot tool, which is our complete chat automation tool for Instagram and Messenger. So it's a tool that allows you to create flows, to create comment responders, to create a lot of automations within your Instagram and your Facebook Messenger. Also, extremely powerful tool. Make sure to check out the whole tool. You will find the tool here on our advanced plan. But with the bundle, you will have access to this function, which is the comment responder. So you can click here on comment responder, and you will be redirected to the tutorial with more information on the comment responder. But once you select accounts, you can add your Facebook and Instagram account, and you can begin to work on that account on how to create your Instagram and Messenger comments responder automation. It's a very powerful automation. We see it all the time when you're a content creator or you selling online, and you're asking your customers to type something in the comments, and you will send them a coupon on their DM. You will do something as a response to that comment. You can create this automation, and you can really take your Instagram and Messenger activities to the next level. So make sure to access this feature. Make sure to get to know more about the tool as a whole. And of course, if you want, feel free to unlock and upgrade to one of Builderall's full plan. But if not, it's amazing to have you here. It's amazing to have you accessing our tools and using it on your external projects and website. It is a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy your experience with the Builderall 7.0 Supercharge Bundle.